and daffodils. A very good day to all of you and welcome back to the class. And in our class for today, we are going to see the type 2 and 3 of the active and passive form. The active voice and the passive voice. Already we have learned the first type. And so we are going to see the second type, type 2. Here, when you look at over here, change of continuous tense form. Continuous in the sense it's a progressive form. Progressive form in the sense it's ing form. Hope it's clear for you. Continuous form is also called as progressive form and it is also called as ing form. So you will have the examples or exercises in the form of an ing. The question will be, example here, we are learning English. Your question is, we are learning English. Here you find are learning in the progressive form, or in the continuous form, or in the ing form. How to change it? That are learning is changed into are being learnt. Are being. You supposed to bring a being in the place of ing. So change ing to being. Is it clear? Change the ing to being. So you will get the automatically the object will take the place of the subject. So it will change the verb also in the same way. Now you see the answer. The English is being learnt by us. Is it clear? So English we took as object and English is being learnt. So are being and we are learning. Are you able to follow? So English is being learnt by us. This is how it's supposed to be changed. Now see some more examples. You have here, she was carrying a red basket. She was carrying a red basket is the question. Now was carrying is in the progressive or in the ing form. Now how to change it? Was carrying is changed into being carried. Hope it's clear for you. It's being carried and plus the participle form of the verb carry. Now you see how to change it. This red basket, that is the object, takes the place of the subject. A red basket is being carried by her. How the is came over here? Red basket is in singular, only one basket. So a red basket is being carried by her. Is it clear? And now third example. They are booking tickets. They are booking tickets. Here we have booking in the form of continuous or in the progressive or in the ing form. Now this are booking supposed to be changed into participle form and in the progressive form. So it changes tickets are being booked by them. Is it clear? Tickets are being booked by them. And okay, that is how it's supposed to be changed. The ing form or the progressive form or the continuous form supposed to be changed into being form. Okay. And now let's go to the type 3. Type 3 is the perfect tense. Present perfect or past perfect or future perfect. The tense will be changed in this way. Let's take the example over here. Now you have Sachin. All of you are very familiar with this character, Sachin. Sachin has created a world record. Sachin has created a world record. You have here a verb, has created, is in the perfect tense. Sachin has created is in the perfect form. So we need to change this. See, look at the has only to do so much with. When a has or a have or a had comes, add a been along with it. Has been, have been, had been. Thus we can change the active to passive. And in this case, Sachin has created a world record. In this example, your answer will be a world record is the object, you know. So a world record has been created by Sachin. Hope it's very clear for you. Are you all following? And now the next example. See here, we are now in the quarantine period, or we are all talking about always this corona. So corona has locked down the whole world. Look at the sentence. Corona, the virus, has locked down the whole world. and the answer, it's very clear now. You will change easily. Has been, So the whole world has been locked down by corona. Is it clear? And the next example, third one. They have purchased a new flat. They have purchased a new flat. Take the new flat. A new flat has been purchased by them. Are you able to follow now? Has been. Okay. Now fourth question is, Ravi had done a heroic deed. Ravi had done a heroic deed. Now the answer is, a heroic deed had been done by Ravi. Is that clear? So this is how the third type supposed to be changed. And you remember, whenever you find a has, have, had, add along with the has, have, had, a been, and change as usually as you do in the first sentence, and then you get the correct answer. Okay? See you all in the next class.